I got Nintendo Wii and the customer said the disk drive is not working. So in this video I will try to replace the disk drive for Nintendo Wii. If this is the first time you watch me, I fix video games and computer. So don't forget to give me like, subscribe or follow. And first thing first, let's test the device and check if every... Oh, see? They have some sound. And something like that, it's not normal. Anyway, let's start. So first thing first, they have 3 screws, 1, 2, and the last one it's here. So let's open them. On this side they have 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, and the last one it's here. So let's open it. Alright, so let's go to the second side. So I remember they have hidden screws underneath these labels. Also they have, I think, screws here and one here and maybe one here. So let's check. As you can see guys, only they have 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5. So let's open them. Alright, on this side they have one here underneath the sticker, also one here and one here. Alright, I opened already 2 screws here and 1 and 2 here. So let's take the cover out. First thing first, be careful because they have cable connect here. Do you see this cable? Just be careful. Just need to clean. Alright, this is the disk drive. I need to open 4 screws, 1 here, 2, 3 and 4. I think that's it. Alright, this is the disk drive and I think it's ready, but they have ribbon cable, so just be careful. This is the ribbon cable. Just be careful guys. I just need to show you, this is the ribbon cable and also they have a power cable, so be careful when you disconnect them. Alright, this is the old disk drive and this is a brand new disk drive. It's available on our shop if you like to buy one. So let's return all the parts back and test. Alright, everything back together, so it's time to test. Everything looks like perfect. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please leave a comment.